I actually have a soft spot in my, the cockles of my heart, you asshole. For this next performance, I am a musical theater nerd, and the next piece is set to... thank you, you're welcome. I did nothing to deserve that. The confrontation scene from Jekyll and Hyde. Those of you who are cheering do not need an explanation for why this is relevant to the theme of this show. To the Philistines and savages amongst you who don't know musical theater. Jekyll and Hyde is the story of one man who has unlocked via science, because yay science, the secrets to evil within himself to ensure that he can, later on, remove it from the world and do good. So, in the spirit of the dichotomy of human behavior, I would like to welcome to the stage Brendo Fire and his pyromatic enigma.
August 17th, 8:55 p.m.
I have started this alone, and I must finish it alone. There is no longer a choice. I know that I must use myself as the subject of the experiment.
Lost in the darkness, silence surrounds you. Once there was morning, now endless night. I will find the answer. I'll never desert you. I promise you this till the day that I
Consumed 10 centiliters of formula HJ7. Salty, bitter taste, stings the tongue, warm in the gullet, heat spreading strongly through my veins, a slight feeling of euphoria.
Not again!
8:59 p.m. An unexpected development.
Do you really think that I would ever let you go? I never set you free. If you do, I'm sad to say it simply isn't so. You will never get away from me. All that you are is a face in the mirror. I close my eyes and you disappear. I'm what you face when you face in the
all of the, Ben, what was it tickling again? Cockles of my heart, you asshole. There we go. All right. Brendo, if there was one thing you wanted to tell your 2 months ago self or so, that would have made this easier in the long run, what pearls of wisdom do you have for your captivated audience?
First off, run it more than once in costume. I didn't know if the mask was going to stay on, but thankfully it did. Thank you to those who did. The other thing that for me, it would basically, I would have told myself 2 months ago, just trust. Work a little bit harder, but trust. You can't necessarily, for me, and I know that this happens to a lot of performers, but I feel like every once in a while, either the performers that appear on this stage are just X amount more talented than I am, or somehow whatever else, but you're gonna have friends that'll help you. Rely on them, ask them for help when you need it. I had an unbelievable amount of help over this weekend and over the last week and a half that really helped me out and really kind of pulled me together. And the last piece of wisdom I would tell myself, because I already knew what was coming, don't watch fucking Drex's performance. Wait until the friggin' music comes on, because the music is, yeah. Because I was kind of doing the same thing. Like I was walking over there and I had your dialogue in my head and I'm like, yeah, no, that's right. Wait, no. Drex comes out of this. Okay.